6 from both the categories. You can see that big smile, and yes, of course, all of them are ready to take away the crown. But it is not that easy because they have to go through the scrutiny. They have to go through the Q&A round, which is going to be very, very important because it is our judge who will be asking you a question. So all the best to all of you, and here we go. Please pick the slip. And can I hear it? What's the name? I can see the excitement on your face, and she just said my favorite. She's also my favorite, and it goes to the one and only Neelam.
Hi, Ekta.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good and excited.
Nervous?
Yeah, same time.
You're
And
looking absolutely stunning.
thank you so
Okay,
much.
I'm going to jump into my question. What in life do you value the most? If you had to ask me that question, I would say food. What do you value the most in life?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. Good evening, everyone. So, what I value in life is the values of our family, where we look forward to give them that kind of comfort by being at this platform. They have given us that inspiration and push forward to move and live your dreams. So I value my family a lot, and I really think I'm feel responsible to make their dreams as well come true. As I'm living my dreams already. Thank you so much.
Muskan ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening, Farah. You look stunning.
So do you, ma'am. Thank you so much for the compliment.
So, okay, since you've spent 3 days here,
Yes.
what have you learned from your fellow contestants?
Thank you so much for asking this question, ma'am. And these 3 days were amazing, and I have really learned a lot. When I joined this VC team, I unlearned everything. I can see the excitement, the self-love which all the contestants are having, and that eagerness to become a queen. And they are working so hard towards it. The dream they have come here for, and each day they're celebrating, they're enjoying, and they're trying to discover their own potential and strength. And that's what I have noticed in the last 3 days, and that's the learning I am also carrying with myself. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Radhika ma'am.
Good evening.
Hello ma'am.
You're looking stunning.
Thank you ma'am. So do you?
So, my question to you is, we talk about a beauty pageant, right? Each queen is also supposed to be beautiful. What does beauty mean to you?
To me, beauty means your heart. When you speak from your heart, when you live by your heart, what you're compassionate for, I think that is more beautiful. Your kindness, your love towards your loved ones and the other people. So what you give to the others, that is beautiness. Thank you, ma'am.
Very well. Thank you so much for the lovely answer. All the best.
Kirti ma'am.
Good evening, Monica.
Good evening,
Very
ma'am.
ravishing.
Thank you, ma'am. So do you.
Thank you. So the question for you is, what are the few qualities that a real queen should embody?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. So far, we have seen that the queens have had a heart of compassion. So compassionate heart is what we all should carry, and we should also carry empathy. So I think these two things are important for whatever we do, not big, but at least for a community service or for something small to make a positive change around her. These two things are the most important. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Miss Sunena.
Hi, Deepika.
Hello, ma'am.
How's the Josh?
Hi, ma'am.
You have Josh right now?
Very nervous, but yes, I still have the Josh.
Okay. All right. So my question to you is, if you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would that be and why?
If I had to describe myself in 3 words, I would call myself kind hearted, compassionate, and courteous. These are the 3 things that I have carried throughout my life, and I have got it from my father. And I feel being kind hearted and compassionate goes a long way throughout your life. You need these qualities to be a good human being. Thank you so much.
Neelam ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so my question for you is, in today's times with everything evolving so quickly and times are changing so fast, what according to you is a modern woman?
A modern woman is one who carries her grace, confidence, and poise with dignity and cultural roots. I am standing here proudly representing my state, Kerala, with all the good values my parents and my state has nurtured in me. Nari Mada Asti, Nari Kanya Asti, Nari Bhagani Asti means a woman is a mother, a woman is a sister, a woman is a daughter, a woman is everything, a woman is a warrior. Thank you. Diksha ma'am.
Hi dear, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
Nervous? I'm also good. Nervous?
A
Or
bit.
excited?
Nervous also and excited as well.
Okay, great. So dear, my question to you would be that what would be the first thing that you would do if you were declared the winner tonight?
The first thing that I would do today if I was declared as the winner is a call to my family, to my loved ones who have motivated at each and every step I was preparing for this pageant. They have shown their blessings, their motivation, and they are always there at my back. So first call will be to them for thanking them whatever they have done to me. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you.
Radhika ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You're looking stunning.
Thank you ma'am.
So my question to you is very interesting. So nowadays, everything, you influence, your impact, everything happens through social media. If today you were to win the crown and tomorrow, if you wake up and you realize that all your social media is wiped out, how would you still manage to create an impact?
Thank you for the question ma'am. So ma'am, a lot of people talk about creating an impact, but I have already taken steps in that direction. Without social media, I have done independent field work and research work, which has been published by the central government last year, where I worked in refugee camps, post-crisis areas in Delhi and in the northeast states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So if social media is eliminated, I will keep doing what I have imbibed in me up until now. Thank you so much.
That was an excellent answer. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Miss Trishita.
Hi, Inu. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Are you excited?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I'll quickly ask you a question. Who has been your biggest inspiration so far and why?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. I believe throughout the life, I have learned something new with every individual I meet. But if I have to be very specific, it must be and definitely Lord Mahadev. Every time I go through his life, I resonate. It's something I have learned throughout my life to resilient, believe in me, and that striving force to be successful is coming from him. I have that energy within me. I get the strength and I can resonate with him. Therefore, I am here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Inu.
Diksha ma'am.
Good evening, dear. How are you feeling?
Very excited.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. You look gorgeous.
So, my question to you would be that what does being a queen mean to you?
Being a queen means to me that she should stand by her values. She should be one who could be a light in someone's darkness. She should be one to uplift others. So being a queen is being a woman with the purpose of uplifting a woman, making a woman feel unapologetically in herself, empowering a woman. Thank you.
Beautiful, beautifully said.
Miss Trishita.
Hi, Sonia.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Thank you.
Stunning. I really love your dress.
Thank you so much. All kudos to the designer, I believe.
Okay. I'll quickly ask a question. I think if you win tonight, for example, take this hypothetically, how are you going to use this platform as a way of presenting yourself?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. If in case I win this crown tonight, I would like to go back home and advocate for all the voiceless animals in India. I believe that in India, we worship animals. However, we leave them on the streets and roads without any treatment, which poses an issue not only just for human beings but for them as well. And that is not healthy, not for us, but as well as for the country. So, in totality, I'll go back and work towards the voiceless and be a voice for them through this platform. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Miss Sunaina.
Hi, Devika.
Hello, ma'am.
Do you want a question?
Yeah, I'm waiting for that.
Ready for it?
Yes.
All right. So my question to you is, if you could have dinner with any three people, who would that be and why?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. So, firstly, I would love to have dinner with Jane Deepika, Miss Universe Nepal 2023. She is my inspiration because why I am here is because of her. After seeing her, I realized even a plus size or a large size woman can participate in the pageant and she can be inspiration for someone else too. So first will be Jane Deepika, Miss Universe Nepal 2023. And second, I would love to have with my mom because why I am here is from her. She always motivates me. I am from a very narrow-minded family, but she's the one who stands with me always. She's the one who pushed me to come to the stage so that I inspire all the women to feel confidence in their body. And thirdly will be my brother, because being a man, he can understand what a woman needs and what a lady will be happy with. And he's the one who always stands beside me. Well, all my family will be bullying me or talking negative. He's the one who always stands beside me, motivating me that you are doing the best work. You are doing for all the girls to feel confident in them. So these three people are the most important, and I would love to have dinner with these people. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies. I think you did justice to the moment. Every answer was so unique and so fabulous. That was a moment of motivation and inspiration. Thanks a lot, ladies. Felicitation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are heading to invite all who have contributed in some other way to making it more happening an amazing evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about VEC Queen of India Season 2 Grand Finale. Get ready, everybody. May I request our honorable celebrity guest, Neelam, along with our founder of VEC Queen of India, Muskan Garal, to join us on stage. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready. May I request all the top 6 from both the categories, Miss and Mrs., to join back on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that smile and confidence. It is not only about the crown, ladies and gentlemen, it is also about the journey. सफर कितना बेहतरीन था वो मैटर करता है. क्राउन मिले ना मिले, लेकिन सफर बहुत सुहाना था for sure. It is all about learning, ladies and gentlemen. It is all about growing as who they are. So we are starting with the first category, ladies and gentlemen, which is VEC Queen of India category, Mrs. I would like to invite our celebrity guest Neelam, along with the founder of VEC Queen, Muskan Gehrola, and yes, of course, may I request the last year winner for VEC Queen of India, Mrs. category, to join us on the stage. And now it's time to honor the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, please get ready as we are heading for the most important, the most happening, much awaited part of the evening. और आइए हम शुरुआत करते हैं सेकंड रनर अप से. ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था हमारे जजेस के लिए, बट यस, after a lot of discussions and I don't want to say this word, but arguments always happen. But yes, you have to come to a conclusion. Without any further ado, let's bring up the second runner-up from the category Mrs. Please put your hand together and do welcome second runner-up of VEC Queen of India Season 2 Mrs. category, and it goes to batch number, contestant number 3, Anita Tom, everybody! Ladies and gentlemen, big congratulations to the second runner-up for Mrs. Tom, taking away the second runner-up crown. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce the second runner-up for Miss category. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce the winner for Mrs. category. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together. But before we announce the winner, let me invite the top 2 from the top 6 to step forward, and we'll announce the winner out of 2. I request contestant number 4 and contestant number 11 to hold their hand and come a little ahead so that we can announce the winner. Can I hear it for Monica and Madhu, everybody? M Square is here. Everybody, a huge round of applause for both of them. अपनी सांसें रोक लीजिए क्योंकि अब बारी है. The time is here to announce the winner for VEC Queen of India Season 2 की category Mrs. के winner की. So ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए VEC Queen of India Season 2 के winner को with a huge round of applause. And the crown goes to the one and only contestant number 11, Madhu! Queen of India to have the one who deserves to be crowned as Mrs. VEC Queen of India. Madhu Singh, everybody, contestant number 11. I request Madhu to please take a walk. I think this is what everyone is waiting. Let's continue with that fabulous music. Let her walk. Let her enjoy the moment. Madhu Singh, ladies and gentlemen, the proud Mrs. VEC Queen of India. And before she finishes her walk, ladies and gentlemen, I request Muskan and Neelam to please honor our first runner-up, Monica Seva, everybody. It is not only about the crown, it is also about the smile that you bring on your face, even if you are a first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, can I hear it for Monica Seva?
لما غبتي ليل طوال في كل بيت كان بذكرى الحب بقى في دمي على بحال النور كحريق الضررة لما يا لما لاش سكيت للهنا كل وقت ما لك بقى بحال بس ما يسكت.
All right, everybody, give a huge round of applause to the winner. And of course, we want to say thanks to Diksha for joining us. Thank you so much, Diksha. We are really proud of you, what you did last year. And yes, you are an inspiration for the rest of us. And now it's time to head for the next category, which is VEC Queen, Miss Category. And now I would like to invite Trishita to join us on stage to do the honor along with our celebrity guest, Nikhil Mayan, founder of VEC Queen of India, Muskan Kehrola. और जल्दी से हम अनाउंस करते हैं सेकंड रनर अप को. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दिल की धड़कनों को थाम लीजिए क्योंकि अब आ रही हैं आपके आगे टू टेक अवे द क्राउन फॉर सेकंड रनर अप. एंड दिस गोज टू इनू बिसेन, एवरीबॉडी. Heading towards the crown, ladies and gentlemen, for the Miss category, it's time to invite contestant number 16 and 17 to join us. But before that, may I request Inu Bisen to give us a walk, the final one, for taking away the second runner-up. And this moment will tell you who is going to take away the VEC Queen of India crown for Miss category. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone out there, get ready to welcome the winner. And it's time to announce the winner, ladies and gentlemen. Hold your breath on the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the crown goes to contestant number 16, Sonia Kaur.
وتذكرني بالشوق نبكي بالصمت في وسط الصحراء كتبت كلمة باسمك أنا في بيك كان حسبي صوتك يحب القلب كل ما ضاع صوتك
I request Sonia Kaur to go for the final walk. After winning the crown of Miss VEC Queen of India Season 2, I request Sonia Kaur to please go for the final walk before she gets ready to conquer the world with her beauty, grace, intellect. And ladies and gentlemen, after Miss VEC Queen of India winner, it gives me extreme pleasure. We are elated and happy to welcome the first runner-up. Please put your hand together for contestant number 17, Devika Rane. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together and welcome the winners, everyone. We got the queens here, and whoever won, let me tell you, is still wearing that invisible crown. That is a VEC Queen of India. But yes, of course, congratulations to the winner. Can I request all three of them to please join and come in the center for the group picture? And yes, we'll quickly do the felicitation. I know घड़ी की सुई इशारा कर रही है कि बस करो. May I request someone from Adonis to please quickly join us on the stage as our Luxe partner. And the gentlemen are already here. Thank you so much. I've been watching you since we started. We have someone who is looking so stylish. And now may I request... Thank you, girls. Thanks a lot for joining us. I know we are running against the clock. Let me quickly invite. May I request Kirti Mishra Narang, Sunaina Raina, Javed Salmani, Radhika Khanna, Syed Khizr Hussain, Rachana Mohan. May I request, I know we are already late, so Neelam already have to leave. So guys, let's make it happening as a group picture instead of continuing with the felicitation program. So may I request all of you to please join us for a group picture. May I request Shakti. May I request Sasha Rajput, someone from Edge Talk, Lakme Academy, Buena Vista. May I request Chirag, Ankit, Kamlesh, Devakar, Himani Sharma, Shreesh Gupta, all of you to please join us as soon as possible on the stage. Let's have a group picture and please position yourself according to our photographers. Let's do it quickly, guys. If they are done with the photograph. Come on everybody, bring that big smile. Everybody who is part of the VEC Queen of India, please join us. We are done. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Let's take a selfie moment.
Magical moment, just you and me, dancing through eternity. The rhythm of our hearts align. Love so pure, it's undefined. The moonlight paints your face in gold. Your secret story softly told.
For Sunaina Raina to take for all her contributions. आइए स्वागत करते हैं जावेद सलमान का, celebrity hairstylist, founder of Studio J Salon. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Javed Salmani. time to invite our pageant group and grand finale jury, Radhika Khanna on the stage. Show director, the man, the showman who did it all. Please put your hand together to welcome Sayyid Khizr Hussain on the stage. Give it up for the man who bring all the charm to the evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sayyid Khizr Hussain, show director. May I request our musician and lifestyle mentor, Rachna Mohan. Everybody, can I hear it for Rachna Mohan? May I invite our musician Rachna Mohan to join us? May I request our official PR partner to join us? Sumukha PR partner, anyone to join us on stage? Sumukha PR partner. May I request Shakti, the guest of honor? May I request Kirti Singh, the founder of Kirti Singh, official designer partner for grand finale? May I request Sasha Rajput? She's not around. May I request someone from Edge-Talk, our podcast and web series partner? Edge-Talk. The man with a big smile. Our official makeup and hairstyling partner, Let Me Acne by Aptec. Taisha is already here. Taisha Rajput, ladies and gentlemen, the founder of Shy Style. Someone from Lakme Academy to join us on stage, take away the coloring. May I request someone from this beautiful venue, Buena Vista, our venue and hospitality partner. SS Training, our official crown partner. Matrix Films, our official fashion photography and cinematography partner. Matrix Films. Yingi Nemo. And ladies and gentlemen, heading to the next one, which is very important, Adonis, Queen of India. May I request Orange International Official Education Backstage Partner, Vandana Travels, Official Picnic Partner, Rajasthan Roots, Dream Events, Guest of Honor, Ankita Vish, and founder and director of Dreams Events, Ankita Vish. Dreams Event, guest of honor, Shobya Answer, brand ambassador, Dreams Event. Coffee partner, Mary Verma, celebrity host. वो पीछे से आवाज आ रही है, बात करने की बारी. Okay, may I request Kalpana Das Gandhi, brand ambassador, VEC Queen of India. Kalpana Das Gandhi. May I also request the man from the Woodside Mountain, Project Head VEC Queen of India. May I also invite Ankit Kumar, Project Consultant, Operation VEC Queen of India. please put your hand together to welcome men from the mountain. Kamlesh Kumar, Deputy Manager, VPC Queen of India. Let's invite the one who is taking over the finance, Diwakar, Himani Sharma, Project Associate, Visual Design and Branding VC Queen of India, to join us on stage. Himani Sharma, everybody. Thank you, Himani, for all the creatives. Shreyash Gupta, and Project Shreya Gupta. Project Associate, Marketing and Branding, Shreya Gupta, everybody. So event, you play the most important role and this brings a smile on the face. May I request someone from the side of Wish who's keen to join us on stage to take away the accolade.
Your
A souvenir.
secret story softly told. Time is gone, we're free tonight. Our souls ignite in candlelight.
And with this, I will say thanks, a heartfelt thanks to Star Garola for giving us this opportunity to spend 3 fabulous days together. And thank you, Mr. Ravi Garola, for giving us all the guidance of taking a good body and making them smile. And international ethics, which plays the most important role in life. You travel a lot and you give a lot of lessons. Thank you so much for being good.
Take second.
Just you and me, meant to pass collide. 2 souls burning side by side. Under the moon, under the sea. Magical moments, you and me.
So I'm feeling blessed today to be the winner of VC Queen of India 2025, and I'm excited for the new opportunities. And I think this is a beginning of my journey.
So today's program was wonderful, and I have no words to say because I have won one subtitle and first runner-up, of course, and the subtitle was Queen of Elegance. I'm happy for that too. I want to thank all the jury members and everyone present here, Matrix and Edge Talk, everyone. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am the second runner-up of VEZ Queen of India in the Mrs. category. I have to be really grateful to VEZ Queen of India for this wonderful platform, because the Anita Tom who came here is not the Anita Tom that you see today. I have gone through, I've learned a lot from here. I have a lot to take away from this pageant back home, not just this crown, but a lot of memories and learnings. Thank you.
Hello, hi, I'm Sonia Kaur and I'm from Jorhat, Assam, currently working in Bangalore in an IT company, and I'm really happy that I am declared as the winner today at VC Queen of India Season 2, and it makes me immensely happy because from now on I will be able to serve some purpose, and everyone, whoever is watching me, would surely kind of take anything that I feel, which maybe I might have not been able to overcome in this journey, they can take it and implement in their life. Thank you. I would say that when I registered for VEC, it was like instant decision. I was not expecting how far the journey will go ahead, but given the fact that today I have won, I can proudly say that is a very genuine platform. The judges are unbiased, they treat everyone equally, and they are super helpful, and it's very important. And the essence of a pageant, any pageant, is that all the mentors whom you meet, they definitely make a mark in your life. And I would say that all the mentors and the judges, they have been very warm throughout this journey.
Hello everyone, I am Devika Rani BL, VC Queen of India, first runner up in Miss category. And I was very passionate that I want to do some kind of impact or bring change in women's life to make them accept their body the way they are, because they are beautiful the way they are. So VC Queen of India, they gave such a big platform for me, and now I am here as the first runner-up of VC Queen of India Miss category. So in future, I hope people, especially women, get inspired by me, that accepting our own body is the biggest power. And to feel the power, I am here to inspire them all and to spread body positivity. Thank you so much, VC Queen of India.
Hello everyone, I am Inubi Sen and I hail from Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. Foremost, I am very grateful to this platform to let me step into this transformative journey and to feel that magic within me. And I am extremely valuing the platform because it's not objectifying women, it's more than beauty, like it's beyond the stereotypes and it supports in all ways. And I share my huge gratitude to the founder, Miss Muskan Gharwala ma'am, Miss Sunaina Rana ma'am, who is the creative head of this platform, and Miss Kirti Mishra Narang ma'am, who is the advisory and mentor for this platform. Also, there are so many mentors which have guided through this journey and who have supported throughout, and also the entire VC family for their love, support and guidance throughout the journey. Today I have won the subtitle of Miss Glamour, and I have won the winner title of second runner-up, and I am so glad to be on this platform today. Thank you so much.